Thousands of people with disabilities are staging rallies across the country urging state and federal governments to fast-track a national disability insurance scheme. They're calling on Canberra to deliver on the Productivity Commission's recommendations in next week's budget. John Della Bosca is the former New South Wales Health Minister and the campaign director for the group Make It Real.
Look, I think it's important that the government knows and the opposition knows, and in fact everybody in the leadership of the nation and the states knows that there's huge public support for NDIS. And today's rally and the rallies all around every capital city are all about making sure that people understand this is an issue that won't go away. We need to make the NDIS real. We need to make it real this year.
The government says that it's up for the challenge, but it also says that it's committed to bringing the budget back into the black. Can it afford to do both?
Well, budget commentaries for governments, for the Prime Minister and the Treasurer. Budgets are also about the commitments that a nation has to important social policies. And we're expecting, and I think the nation is expecting, that Prime Minister will make a commitment to the National Disability Insurance Scheme in this budget. And that's why we're rallying today, to make sure that she knows there's a huge amount of support for this very important initiative.
Of course, the Prime Minister is there today. What's your message to Julia Gillard?
Well, I think the message is the same message that it is to everybody across the nation, that this is a scheme with tremendous public support. I think the Prime Minister already understands that, but today's event hopefully will reinforce for her the importance of her government moving to make the NDIS real in 2012.
Of course, this whole scheme is set to be in place by 2018. Is that soon enough?
Well, obviously we'd like it as quickly as possible, but this is a huge change. Australia has really not done very well in disability policy in the past. When you look at our overall situation, the Productivity Commission has found our scheme as fragmented, underfunded and generally unsatisfactory. A system dominated by queuing and rationing, the very worst elements of a disability system. The NDIS is a way of comprehensively changing that and improving it many times to the better. And so it's going to take a bit of time. We need to be patient, but we need to make sure that we see action straight away. We've got a once-in-a-generation opportunity to make that change now.
John Della Bosca in Sydney, thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.